Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today is 17th April 2026, and in this video, we're going to explore the top 3 Indian SMM panels with UPI Payment. If you're a creator, reseller, or agency, choosing the right SMM panel can make a huge difference in your growth. In this video, I'll compare the top panels in India, their pricing, features, and payment methods, and show you which one is actually worth it in 2026. Let's get started. At number 1, we have the MSP Panel, which is currently one of the best Indian SMM panels with UPI support. What makes MSP Panel stand out is its super easy payment system, especially for Indian users. You can pay using Google Pay, PhonePe, Paytm, and all UPI apps instantly without any complications. MSP Panel offers very affordable pricing compared to competitors' fast and stable delivery, beginner-friendly dashboard 24/7 support, and API for resellers. In terms of pricing, Instagram followers start around Rs10 Rs15 per 1K. YouTube views around Rs8 Rs12 per 1K 2.SMM Wiz. At number 2, we have SMWiz, which is one of the most popular SMM panels in India in 2026. According to recent industry comparisons, SMWiz is known for cheap pricing, fast delivery, and full Indian payment support, including UPI features of SMWiz. Large number of services, 5,000 plus services available. Supports UPI, Paytm, cards, and net banking. Strong API support for resellers, good delivery speed, and refill guarantees. The dashboard can feel slightly complex for beginners. Pricing is sometimes less consistent across services. Support is not as responsive as MSP3, Just Another Panel, JAP. At number 3, we have Just Another Panel, also known as JAP. This is a globally popular SMM panel with a massive number of services and users. JAP offers huge service catalog, cheap pricing options, used widely by resellers. But there are some major drawbacks. Limited focus on Indian payments like UPI quality can be inconsistent across services. Support is mostly ticket-based and slower final verdict. So if you're looking for the best Indian SMM panel with UPI payment, MSP Panel is definitely the #1 option right now. It's simple, affordable, and perfect for both beginners and professionals. That's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. I'll see you in the next video.